Learn to cut out complex images with ease. This tutorial covers selecting, masking, and cutting tricky areas in Photoshop. Let's get started. Open the image with a complex background in Photoshop. Go to the Channels panel, Window, Channels. Find the channel with the highest contrast, usually the blue channel. Right-click on it and select Duplicate Channel. With the duplicated channel selected, go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Adjust the sliders to boost contrast between the subject and background. Select the Brush tool. Zoom in for detail work to refine tricky spots. Adjust the brush size. And paint the subject white and the background black for a clean separation. Zoom out to review and refine more areas as needed. If you see bits of white in the black areas, using the black brush will darken it further and clean up those areas. Select the top RGB layer in the Channels panel to preview your selection and ensure it aligns accurately with the subject. The selected area will appear highlighted, making it easier to identify and refine problematic spots. Hold Ctrl-Command on Mac and click the duplicated channel thumbnail to load it as a selection. Go to the RGB layer. Open the Layers panel. Go to Select Invert for background selection and click Add Layer Mask to remove the background. That's it. Channel masks make removing complex backgrounds easy. Try this technique and see the results. Like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.